Hello, another good day everyone. It's me again, CK Barb. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you watched my previous videos, and if it's your first time to be in my channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell button below for you to get updated every time I upload a new video so that you will not be left behind of my chicas and journals. With the online class we have these days, we experience homeschool, and sure you want to have your own table, right? And now, wanna make a study table for yourself? Well, you can do it yourself by just watching this video. In this woodworking, we will be using basic joints so that it will be easy for you to do it at home. Yes, woodworking table DIY. Enjoy with the video.
夢の中僕を呼ぶ声がして目を覚ましたそばにあったはずの季節もう失った気がしてさ美貌録を読んでみたり日も夕日眺めて来ない誰かを待ってみただけどたった一つ覚えてる言葉がある一人じゃない胸の中ぬくもりで残ってるよ心配しないでやがて夜が明け必ずきっと会えるはずさいつもそばにいてくれたね Oh no 涙いらないだって一人じゃない一人じゃないからどんなスタートラインに立って君の元へ歩いていくよ平行線の上記憶にある夢が手を差し伸べてくれるはずさ一人じゃない胸の中ぬくもりで残ってるよ心配しないでやがて夕方